Hey guys, just wanted to show off this 2021 Velocity Blue F250 Luma Duty we just finished up. This guy came in from South Carolina, stayed in one of the local motels while we wrapped this thing up. The 6-inch BDS radius arm kit, 37 1350 24 Toyo RTs, 2412 TIS 544. Of course, we did the Resi shocks on the front, Fox dual steering stabilizer, and the Fox 2.0 emulsion on the rear. It really turned out to be a very sick build. You can see how we mounted the Fox Resi shocks here. They've changed their color combo a little bit. Their stickers on here, and they look a little nicer, especially on this color truck. It really pops. It has a little contrast. This is the BDS radius arm. Very, very clean truck. Fox dual steering stabilizer, really, they look nice and they help with the steering. It absorb any shimmies and shakes and bumps and whatnot you may feel on the steering wheel. It's also worth mentioning this truck has the new 7.3 Godzilla gas engine, so they don't have a transfer case indexing ring that's been done on this engine combo yet, or at least it's been tested on it. So for this build, we went with a aftermarket dry shaft for the front so that we didn't have to do the indexing ring, since that has not been tested for this platform yet. All right guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more.